This review is on the Beavercraft draw knife. I wanted a draw knife for that odd time when you really want that control of both hands on the blade and you want a nice straight kind of planishing cut. And this knife caught my eye and I got one, and I have to say I was impressed. They know me well. They included some Band-Aids in the packaging with this. It does come with a nice little leather sheath to protect this edge while it's in your carving kit. And I gotta say, this thing is out of the box pretty gosh darn sharp. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of clamp this bit of work right in here. Bring you in a little closer. Just going to clamp it with my hip. And we're just going to come in and take some nice gentle cuts. And I'm telling you, this thing is out of the box sharp like crazy. And it is an amazing tool. It's a very simple design. It's a very old design, but the craftsmanship on this tool are pretty good. Is it the best draw knife ever made? No, but in its price point, it's pretty darn good. And it feels like the steel is also going to be a very serviceable knife grade steel. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with the way this guy cuts. Let's try cutting away from us. It's a little harder for me to control a draw knife on a push cut. I can't get the fine control that I can on the draw. That's why they call it a draw knife. But it definitely does the job. So kudos to the Beavercraft company for making a very affordable, very handy draw knife. Like I say, out of the box, plenty sharp for what I need, and definitely a serviceable tool. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend.